Namaskar students, I am Jevins Dr. Rajkumar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss Agriculture Finance and Corporation. Under the Agriculture Finance and Corporation, today I will discuss Asian Development Bank. The Asian Development Bank is the higher financing agency. The Asian Development Bank, shortly named as the ADB Bank. The Asian Development Bank is the regional development bank that established in year 1966 to the promote economic and social development in Asian and Pacific countries by the providing loan and the technical assistance. The Asian Development Bank's headquarters are located at Manila, Philippines. एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक है वो एस्टेब्लिश हुआ था 1966 के अंदर, और जो एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक का जो मेन जो एम है या जो मेन प्रमोट है वो है सोशल डेवलपमेंट और पैसिफिक कंट्रीज को लोन प्रोवाइड करवाना। एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक का जो हेडक्वार्टर है वो मनीला फिलीपींस के अंदर है, और जो मेन एम है एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक का वो है द मेन एम of the Asian Development Bank is the eradication of the poverty in the Asia Pacific regions. It is the multiple financial institution over by the 67 members within the 48 members from the regional Asia Pacific and 90 from the other part of the global, the higher policymaking body members. The board of governors in the electing among themselves the 12 members of board of directors, 8 of the 12 members of the Asian Pacific members. The board of governors also allocate the bank of the presidents, who is the chairpersons of the board of directors. The Asian Development Bank deposited the Insurance Corporation Act 1968. The corporation was required to register the eligible cooperative banks and the insert the bank under the provision of the Sector 13A of Act. And the eligible of cooperative bank means the cooperative banks, whether it is the cooperative banks in the center cooperative bank or the primary cooperative banks. In the state visits the passes the enhancing legislations and the Cooperative Societies Act, etc. The Asian Development Bank generally governed by the RBI of the registrars of the cooperative societies, and the state wind up the cooperative banks and the supervise the committee of the management and require the registers. The Asian Development Bank not to the take action of the winning of the Reserve Bank of India in the future. The Government of India is the consultations with the Reserve Bank of India introduced of the credit guarantee scheme. The credit guarantee scheme launched in the July 1960. The Reserve Bank of India was within the administrations of the scheme and the central government under the sessions 1711A. The Reserve Bank of India operated the scheme up to the March 31st to 1981. The Reserve Bank of India also promoted the public limited company in the January 14 to 1971 named the Credit Guarantee Corporation India. Thank you.